Today we are taking a look at the Sunseeker S4, a robotic lawn mower designed to automate lawn care while handling the kinds of challenges found in real-world backyards. In today's test, we will be using it in an actual residential yard with uneven ground, slopes, tight corners, trees, and random objects scattered around. While we are unboxing this, it's worth mentioning what makes the Sunseeker S4 different from many robotic mowers currently on the market. One of the biggest differences with the Sunseeker S4 is its navigation technology. Instead of relying on random movement patterns, the S4 combines LiDAR technology with AI vision. Before mower begins, let's take a closer look at the mapping process. One of the advantages of the Sunseeker S4 is its ability to create a detailed map of the lawn before it starts working. Here you can see the mower scanning the yard and building a digital map of the mowing area. And here is the app screen, so you can follow the mapping process in real time. Once the setup is complete, the app displays the finished lawn map, allowing you to view the mowing area, monitor progress, and manage the lawn directly from your phone. If you are familiar with self-driving vehicles, you have probably heard of LiDAR before. LiDAR allows the mower to scan and understand its surroundings by creating a detailed map of the environment. At the same time, AI vision helps identify obstacles and make intelligent decisions as the mower moves throughout the yard. To demonstrate this, we have placed several objects throughout the lawn to test how it works. As the mower approaches each obstacle, you can see how it detects the object, slows down, adjusts its path, and continues mowing without unnecessary contact. This helps the mower work safely and efficiently while navigating real-world environments. Together, these technologies create a multi-sensor navigation system that continuously analyzes its surroundings in real time. As the mower begins working, you can immediately notice that its movements feel deliberate and organized rather than random. Around trees and shaded areas, the S4 maintains a confident path while remaining aware of nearby obstacles. Even when operating around landscaping and tree coverage, it continues navigating smoothly and efficiently. One area where robotic mowers can struggle is navigating narrow passages and fence lines. As you can see here, the Sunseeker S4 performs in these tighter sections of the yard perfectly. When approaching tighter spaces and narrow sections of the yard, it continues navigating smoothly without consistently bumping into objects or getting confused. Watching it move around the yard, it genuinely feels like the mower understands its surroundings instead of simply reacting to them. Real backyards are not always perfectly flat. So that's why we are testing the Sunseeker S4 on uneven ground and sloped sections of the yard to see how it handles changing terrain while maintaining its mowing pattern. Another interesting aspect of the Sunseeker S4 is the experience behind the product. The mower was developed by a team with nearly 15 years of lawn and garden experience, and that practical background is reflected in the overall design. That experience is also reflected in the mower's durable mechanical chassis, lawn-friendly tire design, and flexible floating cutting deck. The floating cutting deck helps the mower adapt to uneven terrain while maintaining a more consistent cut. So if you have a simple, perfectly flat lawn with very few obstacles, there are many robotic mowers that can get the job done. However, if your yard includes slopes, uneven terrain, trees, landscaping, fences, tight corners, and all the little challenges that come with everyday home ownership, the Sunseeker S4 becomes a much more interesting option with an affordable budget. So the Sunseeker S4 is a great fit for busy homeowners and families who want to automate lawn care. I have to also mention that using the app, you can also schedule mowing sessions, monitor progress remotely, and let the mower maintain the lawn even when you are away from home. It's also well suited for households with children and pets thanks to the combination of LiDAR and AI vision technology. Overall, the Sunseeker S4 delivers a capable and confidence-inspiring experience for homeowners looking to automate lawn maintenance while still achieving reliable results in real-world conditions. After completing the mowing cycle, here is a look at the finished lawn with before and after pictures. This is all about today's product. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about the Sunseeker S4 and whether you will trust a robotic mower to maintain your lawn. Thanks for watching, and until next time.